Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech with Krishna Kala. Today we will learn largest of three numbers. For this we need three inputs. Take that three inputs. A equal to int of input enter the value of A. B equal to int of input enter the value of B. C equal to int of input enter the value of C. Now we have to write three conditions. Firstly, for this we need if, elif and else block. If A greater than B and A greater than C. That means we are comparing A with B and C. If A is greater means A is largest number. Print A is largest number. Elif now we will write for ఒకవేళ B అనేది లార్జెస్ట్ అయితే for this B greater than A and B greater than C. Here why we use AND operator? AND operator means both conditions should be true. In that scenario we use AND operator. Now print B comma is largest number. Else, for else block we no need to write condition. Automatically it will give output. C is largest number. If we run this code, see what is the output. Enter the value of A. I will give 10. Enter the value of B. I will give 5. Enter the value of C. I will give 6. Guess what is the output? 10 is the largest element. That means A. Again we will run this code. enter the value of A. Now A value is 10, B value 20, C value 5. Now what will we print? 20. That means B is the largest number. Again for else block, A equal to 10, B equal to 20, C equal to 30. Now what will it print? 30. 30 is the largest number. That means C is largest number. That's all about today. Next video we will learn positive, negative numbers.